Hi everyone, my name is Rodrigo and today I would like to start a new playlist here on our YouTube channel called Pipefy. Okay, we have this playlist in Portuguese version, but now we're gonna start in English version. What is Pipefy? Pipefy is a BPA, which means Business Process Automation Platform. Okay, it's cloud based, it's easy to configuration, it's like low code, there's no any issue to create our business process, to automate our business process, and I'm gonna show you how to create one workflow from scratch. And also we're gonna apply in a real business. Okay, we're gonna use a digital marketing agency, a small digital marketing agency, to design this workflow, and I'm gonna show you how to create the funnel of sales for this company. Okay, let's do it together. Okay guys, here on Google, I'm gonna just type Pipefy, then enter, then I'm gonna scroll down a little bit until this URL called pipefy.com. Okay, this is the Pipefy, okay, a business process automation that I told you before. All right, so to start to work with Pipefy, we have just to move on to the website. Then here there are some differentiations according to the size of your company. Okay, Pipefy is a platform for every single company. Okay guys, from the website, Pipefy website, first of all, I would like to share with you the pricing, okay, because the platform is made for every single business. Don't worry if you are small, medium, and big enterprise. Okay, there is one specific proposal for you, and I'm gonna show you the difference between the opportunities right now. Okay, you can start from here for free, or you can go to businesses, enterprise, or unlimited. Let's just click on show comparison table, and then we can check better. Okay, for starter plan is totally free, and it's good for those small businesses just starting the operation. Okay, it's really good for the business that is starting, startups in general. Okay, from here we have process templates. I'm gonna show you how to design them, how to edit them actually, because they are template already. Publish shareable forms, I'm gonna show you as well. Email templates, standard productivity and lead time metrics, I'm gonna show you as well. Complete activity login site cards, mobile app, request tracker, customizable service portal. So we have these, we have dashboards to manage our KPI, so you can even create you can either create our business processes or manage them with KPIs on Pipefy. All include on Pipefy. Okay, this is a all-in, I would say, all-win business processes platform, and I will show you how to design your dashboard from that. Okay, the difference between the plans is more like how many workflows you can create. Okay guys, if you are starting, I think you don't have to design more than 5, so up to 5 it's really good for workflows. In terms of users, if you are a business, small businesses, maybe 10 it's enough for you. If you needed more, you have to go to the paid plans. Okay, and even the unlimited cards, the cards I'm gonna show you, the card could be tasks, could be projects, could be activities, could be leads. It depends of the workflow that you will create on Pipefy. Okay, so in this case we have up to 50 monthly. We can create up to 50 monthly in order to be in a free plan. If you want to create more than 50 cards in your company, you have to pay for that. All right, also we can export multiple process data. So here we have a single process up to 10 records. I'm gonna show you how. And we can create conditional logic in the fields up to 3 in the free version, and there are some SLA alerts and notifications add on to power up workflows, possibility to hiring professional services. I mean, This is not that much problem because I'm here with you to guide you, so you don't have to work with professional services anymore on Pipefy, okay? Because I'm here to help you, to guide you how to use Pipefy. Don't worry about it. Here we have unlimited guest users. We cannot invite anyone from our company to work with us on Pipefy. Database records, in this case we have up to 500, but I think will be good for small businesses, and storage up to 2 gigabytes, okay? This should be a problem if you increase your business, but come on guys, this is a free plan, so we can just move on to business plan, and then you're gonna have with $25 monthly we can do lots of things, and I'm gonna show you how, okay? From this point, if you are an enterprise, you can just move on and have more and more, and if you wanna work with unlimited, we can go with this option and will be really good for you. There are some API integrations, there are Zapier integrations. You can use Excel file to import information to Pipefy. I'm gonna show you during this journey here. Today I would like to share with you how to build our first workflow and explain the Pipefy from scratch, okay? You'll be, in the end of this video, you'll be able to design your workflow on Pipefy, but I'm not here to show you everything that Pipefy has only in this video, because I'm gonna record more videos related to Pipefy. And even if you are a Portuguese speaker, you can go to Pipefy Portuguese playlist in here in our YouTube channel. You're gonna see more because we have lots of videos over there, okay? This is just the first English video that we are recording right now, okay? So no, without further ado, let's move on to start on Pipefy. If you don't have an account, you can go here, get started for free, and if you already have something, you can just log in. I will log in because I have my account over here, okay? From this point, I'm gonna just click in the account that I've already have, and I will landing on this page, guys, okay? This page is the page that are related to our business, okay? Our company. When you create a profile on Pipefy, you have to share a business email. This is a requirement, okay? Don't go with personal emails, gmail.com, outlook.com, something like that, because won't work on Pipefy. You have to you have to start with business email in order to be useful, okay? And with the extension of your email, Pipefy will identify that this is a company, and every single user that use the same will be considered of the same company automatically with Pipefy, okay? But again, you have to invite them to be part of your business, but part of your company or your workflows, but this is not a big issue, okay? I'm gonna show you how, okay? This is the first view of Pipefy. With this view, we have here pipes and we have here databases. Pipes, this screen is related to the company. If you wanna change something in the company, you have to move on to the right up corner, then click on here, and then from this you can just select your account preferences, company activities, company reports, or suite company, because sometimes you can use the same users in different companies. I mean, not different companies from this example, because this example is for you can see is marketing company, but for example, I want to create one space for marketing team, because I'm an enterprise, so I'm gonna create one for marketing team, and the other one will be related to data team in my company. Even if I have the same structure, the same company name, I wanna create different sub companies in my organization. So you'll be able to do it if you create different companies with the same user. So then users can just switch between the companies. But at the beginning, when you are small or medium, probably you're gonna use only one company with all the pipes, okay? Let's explain pipes. What's the meaning of pipes? Pipes are the workflows that you want to create, okay? The business process that you want to automate on Pipefy. On Pipefy, we call workflow as pipes. Okay, that's the meaning of pipe. When you create a new pipe, you create a new workflow. This workflow could be, for example, sales funnel, could be a CRM process, could be a project management, okay? And then you can just manage your projects in the company, could be payroll activities, could be ERP activities. So if you wanna just design a workflow that looks like a ERP system, you can with Pipefy. I'm gonna show you the templates and you check this how this is easy and possible with this amazing tool, okay? And database, as the name says, it's like the database that you can create in order to be more helpful for your workflows, because when you create some workflows in our company, maybe you have just to add some datas that support this workflow, and this is the time that we create databases, okay? These databases are more like examples, so I'm gonna just click it here. When you create a new pipe, you will see cards like this. And even on either on database or on pipes, you will see this kind of cards. If you want to just delete it, click it here on 3 dots in the down right corner and then delete. Pipefy is something that we don't have, like Control Z, okay, to redo the something that we do, okay? So always you will see this question and you have to type delete in order to delete and then click and delete. So once you do it, never come back, okay guys? So be careful with this process to delete something on Pipefy, okay? Because this is permanent. So I'm gonna delete this one as well. So from now I don't have neither database nor pipes, and then I'm gonna create my first pipe in this company, okay? My first pipe, instead create something from scratch. I'll be using some templates that Pipefy already has, okay? So you have just to move up a little bit, click it here on templates, and from here you can see all the possibilities to work with Pipefy. I mean, new and trendings means the workflow, the template that people are using more on Pipefy right now. If you click it here, business operation, you can create a workflow for request management, remote work management, collaborative idea management. So ATR process you can use, people process you can use here on Pipefy as well. Task management, simple to-do list, because as you know, there are a lot of platforms available on market, available to you in the market that show just to-do lists or Canva structure. I've tried to use ClickUp, for example. It was really hard because it was my more project management stuff than workflow, and sometimes it's really hard to use. I also tried Jira, and once I use a Jira, I just realized that it's more like software development platform instead like business process in general. So that's why I really recommend Pipefy to you, because you can use as a small business or medium business to do like everything in one single platform. So here we have CRM, for example, we have CS and support, development, finance, human resource, IT, like service desk, IT asset management, IT onboarding process. We have legal process as well, guys. We can do NDA requests, contract freelancers for the company, for example. Also, we have procurement, marketing, lots of workflows for each department, okay? You just have to check the one that you want to create. You can check over here, click on each category, or you can just search for templates. If you want, if you be comfortable with, you can start from scratch, but I'm just suggest you to start from template and then just customize, just adding in this template in order to be useful for you. In my case, I'm gonna create some templates for this company marketing, because I'm in marketing Pipefy space, and I'm gonna create some some forms to be included on the services page of marketing in order to manage the sales funnel. Okay, someone will just fill a form over here, submit, and then instantaneously Pipefy will receive this lead, and our sales team will go into work on the CRM process. Okay, the sales funnel process in the company until close the deal. Right? So this means that I want to create a workflow on CRM. It's a sales lead qualification. Perfect. This is the name. You can check all the possibilities that Pipefy has, but as you can see here, I have sales lead qualification. This is perfectly, this is fit. This is met the need that I have. So I'm gonna click it here. And then if you want to see, Pipefy has this small video explaining how this process works. Okay, if you are a beginner, you can check this tutorial over here once you click on the template that you want to work, or in this case just go with me and click on use templates. Let's find out together how to use it on Pipefy. Okay guys, so at this point we have to wait for a while. Then Pipefy will create this template automatically. Sometimes if you have some troubles with your connection, you can just click it here. Okay, if it takes too long, you can click it here and then you will see the workflow. For example, I think in my case, I have this problem, so I'm gonna click it here. No, I don't need it. Pipefy already created. As you can see, Pipefy work as a Kanban view, okay? But you can move on here in the left corner, up corner, and then change. Instead use a Kanban view, you can use a list view of the tasks. Okay, I'm gonna work with Kanban view because this is the traditional, this is the pattern of Pipefy, and I recommend you to use it. Okay, let's just jump. I don't wanna use this tutorial. Again, Pipefy has lots of tutorials to help you, to guide you to use the first time, but you can work with me. So once you create it, guys, as you can see, I'm in a new window called lead qualification CRM with some stages like lead backlog, qualification, first contact, schedule demo, sales ready, and poor quality prospect, which means this prospect is not that much good. And this part over here, this background, we call pipe. Okay, this is one pipe called lead qualification CRM. If I wanna moving back to the company stage, I can just click here on Pipefy home, and then I'm seeing the company environment where I have lead qualification as one pipe. Okay, this pipe, because I created this pipe, I'm part of this pipe, so I can see in my pipes. Sometimes another person create a pipe in your company, you will see here on other pipes. Okay, in our case, I have these my pipes. Lead qualification CRM is the one that I want to work. I will click it here once, and I'm back on the pipe. Okay, from this point, guys, we have the stages. We have these cards, and each of these cards are like leads. Okay, example of leads. First of all, I'm gonna remove all these cards because I know these are samples and I don't want to work with samples. I want to work with something real. How do I delete some cards? Click once in the card that you want to delete. Pipefy will show you this window. I'm gonna explain later this window, guys. From now, I will just click it here, up corner, right corner, 3 dots, and then delete this card. Again, I have to click two times in order to delete. This is how Pipefy works to delete something, because there's no way to recover this card once you delete it, so be careful. Then I'm gonna delete all these cards because I want to guide you from scratch. Okay, click it here, then delete as well, then click it here, then delete. And from now, first of all, I have to check how many stages I want to work in order to convert this lead into a client. Okay, lead backlog is something good. Someone will just fill this form and submit. I want to receive this lead over here on lead backlog. Okay, this is really good. Then I want to qualify this lead, which means I will try to contact this lead. Once I contact this lead will be considered a qualified lead. Okay, then I will just change the first contact for sales negotiation stage. Okay, I want to just start some negotiation. And then in this case, marketing consulting, people don't use the leads, won't ask for scheduled demo, because we are a service company, not a software company, for example, or product company, I mean. So I don't want to use this stage, scheduled demo. But then after negotiation, I want to move on to sales ready or poor quality prospect. First contact, I want to rename this stage. How to rename? Click twice, then you can change the name. I will put it here, negotiation. Now I have negotiation here, and also you can change the color of the stage. Okay, in order to be more appealing for the view of users, you can change the color. I will keep this color actually. Then I'll move on to schedule demo. I will click on here, 3 dots, and delete phase at this time. So delete, then click on delete again, and I have this phase deleted. If you wanna create some stage, you can just move your mouse over here, click on this plus sign, and then create your stage. As you can see, once you create it, I will just created one called test. You can set this phase as the end of process. If you click it here and then save, you will see this like folder icon over here. This folder means this is a final stage of the workflow. Okay, that's the meaning of this. So I will now delete, and then check that I have sales ready as a final stage of my workflow. This is really good. And poor quality prospect as final as well. So this is really good. Guys, you also can change some informations of like, this is like you are trying to explain to the users how this stage needs to work on the workflow. Okay, so the idea here is like giving more examples or more informations, I mean more informations for the users in order to understand better how this workflow will works. So here, check if the leads receive are potential new customers. Perfect. Gather initial info on the leads. Perfect. Find out the needs and urgency for your solution. No, this will be like an stage create. So I'm gonna click twice here, and then here write this part. So this part will be related to create a proposal for the lead qualified. Then I click on enter. Pipefy automatically just put the information on the screen. Then sales ready are those clients closed deals. Okay, and poor quality prospect means disqualified leads. Okay, so that's perfect. And again, if you want to change some information in the stage, for example, this is not a final anymore. I know this is an end of process, but I want to change this part. I can click here in the name, then phase settings. And once I click on phase settings, I have some informations here that I can change in order to unselect this as a phase of end. Okay, as a phase of end in my process. I have this way. You have also this part, okay, like advanced options. And if you click on 3 dots and go to advanced options, you have here the flag, and then you can just unselected. As you can see here, there is no folder anymore. If you go advanced and put set as an end of process, this will be an end of process. Okay, so for this point, this is already good for me. I have two end of process, and the beginner of the process will be the stage that we have this plus symbol, plus icon over here. Okay guys, this circle with the plus symbol in the middle. This means that this stage is an initial stage in my workflow, and the folder a final. You can design the phase settings to be an initial anytime. Okay, this is really easy to do it. You just go to phase settings, and then you're gonna go to advanced options probably. Let's check. I don't remember exactly. No, not here. This is something more advanced. You can go to pipe settings, no. Automations, email, no. Member, no. Phase, no. Let's see. Start form. No, not really. I want to just put it some possibilities to create something new here. Let's see here. Okay, if you go to advanced option and put it allow creating cards, you will see now the plus sign over here. This means that this could be an initial state in our workflow as well. Okay, so I will just unselect this part right now because I have everything that I needed here. Lead backlog will be the beginning, qualification negotiation the middle, then sales ready and poor quality prospect the end of my process. Then guys, we have to start our workflow. Okay, how to start our workflow? With a start form. Okay, the start form is the form that initiate your workflow. You have to customize and start form in each pipe that you create on Pipefy. Okay, that's the rule. Okay, once you have a workflow on Pipefy, you have to customize a start form in order to start a workflow. And how to access the start form? Here with this plus sign, or here, or you can go here on new lead in the left down corner. Okay, I'm gonna go here, click here, then I can edit this form. Okay, this is the form that I received new leads. Okay, the name of the form here is new lead, so I will use it like lead generation. Generation. No, I would say just lead. Okay, lead form. I'm gonna put it lead form as the name of the form. Then guys, Pipefy automatically created some different kind of fields for your lead to fill the form. Okay, that as you saw, I'm using a template, so Pipefy just designed a template start form for me, a start form template for me, okay, with name, email, phone, company, industry, and observations. If you want to delete something, you have just to move on again to the three dots, always the three dots, guys, three dots and delete. So name is something useful for me, yes. Email, yes. Phone, yeah. Company, yes. Company industry, I don't want to use it. Company industry in my case, or maybe okay, maybe I will use it. Company industry and observations. Okay, so this is really good for me, but I want to include one field more, the field that people can select the services they are looking for. Okay, I'm gonna create some like list box with these options in order to the lead just to select those they are looking for once they want to submit a form in our website. Okay, I'm gonna move on with name, email, phone, company, industry, and observation, and I want to create some new field selecting from the left side. So this left side has all the fields that Pipefy works, so you can create date, time, due date, labels, email, phone numbers. There are lots of things. Okay guys, also drop down selected. This one is the one that I want to work. So I'm gonna just put it over here, or maybe not drop down. I wanna show all the possibilities that they have. So I will use radio select, okay? Instead drop down, I'm gonna use radio select. So you have just to click, drop and down over here and the position that you wanna work. So I'm gonna put it after company industry, the radio select. Then this field label will be product. Okay, this is the title of the field. Then the style, vertical radio or horizontal radio. I wanna work vertical radio, and I'm gonna put it here, the services. So the first service will be marketing consulting. I wanna add another option. The other option will be web design. Okay, so I'm gonna create over here. Then I can add another option, email marketing. And sometimes you have a list with too many options. If you click it here, add multiple, you can just click on enter, and each row will be one option in the radio. Okay, email marketing, then CRM, then social media. Okay, now we have 5 options of services available. Let's see if they have any something more. We have 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 products. So SEO solution. Now I'm gonna put it here in this row, SEO service. I will put it SEO service, and then inbound marketing. Okay, marketing micro course is not the one that I wanna. Oh, let's put it micro course as well. So SEO service, then inbound marketing, and then micro course. Okay, now the lead can select the product they are looking for over here. Okay, guys, when you customize your field over here, you can just select and unselect those options that you are seeing. Okay, like if you want to create some descriptions, I will just change the title, like what are you looking for, then question mark. Okay, I'm gonna use it this, what are you looking for? Then we have all the products. This is a preview of your field. Okay, you can see the options over here. Then if you want to create some descriptions, you can put it over here. Help text you can use in order to be more a user experience field, or you can put it, this field is required. In my case, will be required. Okay, so this will be what are you looking for, will be required. Then guys, once you click on save, you will see now the field is already applied in your form. Okay, so as you can see, I don't have the asterisk over here on company industry, which means this is not required field. I'm gonna put a name, email and phone as an obligation for my leads, because I need qualified leads, so I need to contact them. Okay, so name, I will click it here in this little pencil. Then I can move here and click on this field is required, then save, also with email. You can click on 3 dots, then edit, or directly to the pencil. Okay, then this I will design as well. And don't worry about the style of the number, because this is the flag about US, but the user can change. Okay, once they are in the form, they can change the format. Okay, as you can see over here, we have this possibility of phone. I will show you how to edit the phone. As you can see here, once you put it a phone or another kind of field on Pipefy forms, you have the same order of customization. Okay, here I have the phone and company industry. What are you looking for with the products? That's all for this lead form. But guys, I wanna just put it this lead form. This will be the initial stage of my workflow, and I wanna put this form on my website. Okay, sometimes you can work with this form in a URL directly, or you can just update this form and embed it on other pages, for example, in your website. Okay, once you finish, guys, we have just to put it over here, public view option, and then we have just to flag this part public, because this needs to be a public form in order to be embedded in another website. If you wanna use this form in another website, you have to click it here and flag this public selection. Okay, then you will see this this address over here, and once you copy this address and paste in a browser, you will see the information of your form and the page in the browser. Okay, and in this case I have here, so everyone can click it here and submit the form, but you can use this embedded in another website. I'm gonna show you later how to do it. Okay, then from this part you can change everything. For example, I wanna choose some logo. If I wanna choose some logo, I can click it here and choose a file and select a logo from my computer. For example, let's see, in my files I have it here. No, I cannot go because this is zipped. Let's just check. Let's check here. Then I will just submit the logo. With you guys, you see the logo working. Let's see. Okay, this is the logo that I wanna use it. So let's click it here. Okay, now I will click it here. Then I will click on show files, then move on to the place that I have this logo on my computer. Okay, so I have it here, I have it here, so I will click it, and you can just adjust the logo as much as you want it. Okay, this is how I want to work with this logo. Then save, then you will see the logo applied in your form. Okay, then you can change the form title, so lead qualification, fill this form in with the information required. This is the text that I want to show to the leads. Then you can change the button submit for something. Okay, so request the quote, I will put it request quote. Okay, then you can change the background, guys. If you wanna change the background of this page, if your intention is not put it on in a website, you want to use this as a regular page on the web, you can just change the background. In my case, I will just continue with this. I cannot remove the Pipefy logo from the bottom right side over here because this Pipefy is just available to be removed if you are in a paid version of Pipefy. Okay, let's see the background again. I want to remove the background. Let's see if I can, or I will just change for a single color. All right, I will put it the color of the website in order to be easier, because I want to use in the website. So I will click it here and I will put it white as the background. Okay, this is perfect for me. This is clean, really simple, minimalist, and you can click it here and collect email using an email field or collect email on a new page, guys. So this is related once people just write all the informations and click on request code, Pipefy will automatically request for an email of confirmation, okay, that they are receiving, that we are receiving the informations and will be work with, okay, the workflow already received this email. So I don't wanna request tracking for the users, so I will just unselect this flag, and then from this point I can just change a little bit the content related to thank you, okay. In this case I will say we have received your request in 2 business day. Oh no, I will say like check your email, check your email for more informations, okay. Then I will see that people will just send some information. My salespeople, the salespeople in this company will just contact the leads by email, okay. Then thank you, this is all that I need. Then I will click on save. Okay, now I have the public view. Then if someone just write this information and send, I will receive an on Pipefy, okay guys. Finally, I want to show you that in each stage, guys, we can add some informations. For example, if I click it here on phase settings, I can see this phase lead backlog. From here I can change the phase over here in the left up corner, and I can change the fields for each stage, because for example sometimes the lead sent something and once I receive it I needed to upload the proposal to send to the leads. If I want to do it, I can add some attachment field in this card, this stage, and then submit to the lead. So there are lots of different forms to work, different ways to work in your workflow in order to fix the information that you want. I don't want to move so deeper in each stage, because as I told you before, we're gonna record more videos explaining how to customize each stage. But the way it's like the way that we customize the lead form, okay. You click it here, then you click on phase settings, and from this part you can just add or remove some informations in order to be more useful for you, okay. Each stage is up to you, the fields that you want to work, okay. And once you receive it over here, you have to move from this until the end, okay. I don't want to explain that much this part. Now guys, to finish this video, because as you saw this is a really long video, and we created in 2 steps, like template and customize a little bit, adding the stage as I told you. Then we can move on to dashboard, we can move on to report. This will be for future videos. Don't worry about it this right now. I will just move on a little bit because I want to click it here on new lead, and I will show you a new way to customize the public form. From this part, new lead, I will click it here, share start form, because I wanna see, guys, this part over here, okay. This part over here I will just copy. Let's see, company no, I will just copy. Sorry guys, it's not this part. I want to show you that instead copy the link, because the link I use it to access from outside, from the browser and the web. As you can see here, I have the form over here, okay, the form that we designed it. I want to change a little bit and put it on the website. So instead copy this, copy link, I will copy the embedded code, okay. When you copy the embedded code, this is HTML code to be embedded in other websites. So if you have some programmers or developers, you can share with them this code, and then they will be able to embed this form in their website, okay. So I'm gonna copy here and show you how this works. So here I'm the web page. Obviously, I'm the programming developer of the website, this website. So I'm gonna move to the editing part in this website. Then from this part, I will just move in back. No, I don't want to see. I will just move on back to WordPress, and I will click it here on custom HTML, and I will just put it the custom HTML over here. Instead this form, I will add something new. So here the contact means the code that I've already copied from Pipefy. As you can see here, guys, if I put it the code over here, this is HTML that I copied from Pipefy in the embedded code. I can just embed in my website, and instantaneously I can see the form over here for the people to fill in my website directly. Okay, then I will remove this one. I don't want to work with this one anymore, so let's delete. The form will be just this one. And guys, if you don't want to show to delete this scroll bar over here, it's easy to fix. You just have to click on this edit. Then you will see that in the code that you copied from Pipefy, there is a width and age. For example, in this, the age is not that much good, so I want to just put it this form a little bigger in order to just won't show this scroll bar over here. So I put it like 108. I know this is perfect for me. Okay, now I fix it. There's no scroll part anymore. Then I can apply. So guys, when you update it, you can just move in to the website, and now we have the form over here already applied. Let's do a test. Sorry, I will put it my name, then rodrigo.marketing.ca, for example. If you don't fix the format, Pipefy will just say. So then your number, okay, this is the number, company, marketing, company, industry. There is some information pre-set over here. So marketing, media, entertainment, what are you looking for, marketing, consulting, observations, I don't have it, request code. Once you click on request code, oh, the phone number is wrong because you put it just 0. So as you can see, it didn't work. So then I will put it some number. Okay. 9, for example, I will put it this number. And then Pipefy automatically identify this is a Canadian number. Then request code. We have received your request. Check your email for more information. The information that I put it in the form. Okay, guys, already here. And now, if we move to Pipefy workflow, let me show you the magic. Now we have the company, the lead, and the information that Rodrigo already shared with us. Okay, guys, this is all. Now we have everything. So guys, that's all for today. I hope you enjoy it. This is how Pipefy works, how to customize a new workflow from scratch. I hope you enjoyed. If you enjoyed, don't forget to thumbs up. Don't forget to share this content. Don't forget to comment. If you have any doubts, any comments, any concerns, just leave in the comments below, and it will be a pleasure to answer you. See you in the next video. Bye.